Hello defense lovers, welcome to Defense Series. The hammer weapon can be used for multi-target attack and has zero maintenance due to reduced life cycle cost. With data link capability, the weapon is aware of the hostile environment and has full flexibility to strike at the target. France has agreed to equip Indian Rafale fighter jets with air-to-surface hammer, all-weather smart weapon apart from air-to-air Mica, Meteor missile and air-to-ground scalp standoff weapon. The hammer is a fire and forget weapon that can be launched from a very short range to a very long range of 70 km without availability of GPS and has high resistance to jamming and target locations error. According to senior officials, the hammer contract was signed between the two governments in September 2020 and the weapon in large number will be delivered to a Golden Arrows squadron of Indian Air Force station in Ambala by the end of this month. The defense cooperation between India and France is as such that normally the hammer weapon would have been delivered to the Indian Air Force in a year, but the French Air Force has decided to part with limited weapons from their inventory to cater to India's urgent requirements. The Rafale fighter is one of the front line of the Indian Air Force, which is currently on high state of alert due to People Liberation Army aggression at 4 points along the line of actual control. Hammer weapon is aware of the hostile environment and has full flexible to strike at the target, in addition to use of dedicated warhead and air burst capacity. The angle of impact can be set up till a full vertical dive for maximum destruction, while Mica has air-to-air kill at the maximum range of 80 km. The Meteor missiles has a beyond visual range touching near 140 km, and the Scalp is an air-to-ground standoff weapon with a 300 km range and a 450 kg warhead. It fires just below the speed of the sound and had imaging infrared terminal guidance. With the arrival of hammer weapon, the Indian Rafale has now a full armament complement with the capacity to dominate and destroy the adversary, whether it be a J-17 fighter and Pakistani Air Force J-20 fighters with the PLA Air Force. So friends, do you have any question regarding this topic? Please do comment, and if you like our video, please share and subscribe this channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.